Okay, this is the complete assembled green box. This is the electronics, okay? This is the cable. Here there is all the connectors. Everything should be connected only here. Let's start to see which one have to be connected. The green box arrived completely assembled and completely tested, so do not remove if you don't know what you are going to do. Even if you have to remove, don't unscrew the pin, but just take out this connector from here. This connector are included. Okay, so you see here there is a special shape that goes in one director here. Okay, let's start. This is the GPS. The GPS is already connected and tested. You have just to plug the antenna here and stop. Then here what you can find the push button. Push button is 4 pin, one plus 12 volt, one ground, this blue is ground, and then normal open, sorry, and common. And these instructions are directly here: normal open, common, plus, minus. Then you find a sequence of sensor. This sensor doesn't need to be supplied. Okay, so these sensors are all flagged. So if the flag, there is the instruction. Okay, there is mosquitoes. Okay, this is the cooling temperature. Then see the manual how to connect it to the DeLorean wiring to the cooling temperature. This is the lambda. So see the manual how to plug this cable from lambda. This is the frequency valve, the same. Then let's go in the right side. You will see here there is just a connector with two cables, big one. These two cables should be connected to the battery of the car. This is 12 volts. This is ground. Then there are the three, a group of three. This sensor, that is a pressure sensor, should be supplied with 5 volts and ground. This 5 volts, you don't have to find out in the car. The electronic here contains a transformer that transforms the 12 volts come from the battery to this supply directly to the pressure sensor. So you take the pressure sensor here. There are 3 cables, okay? Red is plus 5 volt, black is ground, and the central one is the sensor. So it's the same as here, okay? Then we have another sensor, the current sensor. This group of 3 are for the current sensor. 5 volt, ground, and signal. The current sensor is this clamp. There are 4 cables, but we need just 3. Ground, 5 volts, and yellow. The white one is not used. Okay, you just to connect here, and then see the instruction how is the correct direction to put the cable to measure the ampere of the pump. This clamp should be opened by this side. You can now I can with mobile, but you just take out this and you put the cable inside. Okay, go away. Then here is also already connected a sensor. You don't have to unplug. This is the temperature and humidity sensor is here. And then here you don't have to apply absolutely. You unscrew absolutely, because this is the display. The display is already wired, is here. You should put in the console the display using the special adapter that is included in the package. Okay, so you do not displug. If you have to unplug this, make all unplug like this, all unplug. Let me do with 2 hands. Sorry, unplug all